Sobrang lag na ba ng laptop mo at hindi mo alam kung anong una mong i-upgrade, SSD or RAM? Tara, let's get started. If you're gonna be upgrading your laptop and kulang ka pa sa budget to upgrade na sabay ang SSD at RAM, you gotta be wise sa pagpili ng uunahin mong i-upgrade. Well, first things first, if naka-HDD pa ang laptop mo, then make sure to upgrade to SSD first para mas mabilis ang performance. I promise you guys, talagang malaking improvement yan sa mga laptops natin. Pero kapag ang laptop naman ay less than 4 gigs of RAM at naka-SSD na naman yung laptop mo, then opt to upgrade sa much higher na RAM. For sure, maganda din ang performance na ibibigay na. Pero take note of this guys, this is non-negotiable ha. If naka-HDD pa yung laptop mo, tapos below 4 gigs of RAM pa, grabe, super ice age pa yung era niyan. Super taong kuweba pa yung laptop mo. Kaya super bagal na ng performance ng laptops natin. So, non-negotiable to, kailangan mong i-upgrade parehas, RAM at yung SSD natin. But if you have budget naman, go for a much higher SSD, around 256 to 1 terabyte na SSD and 16 to 32 gigs of RAM. I'm sure na maganda yung performance na ibibigay sa atin. Na kung may budget naman tayo, taasan na agad natin. Ikaw, ano pa ang mas gusto mong pipiliin, di ba? Gusto ba natin na higher price on a much good quality products or cheaper price pero lagi ka naman mag-upgrade yearly? So, if you want more of this, make sure to follow, comment, and react.